Today we're talking about exhaust fan maintenance. Exhaust fan maintenance in facilities maintenance helps evacuate air out of a building. You'll find exhaust fans in kitchens, in restrooms, in shop spaces, in paint booths. So here's some examples of common exhaust fans you'll see in facilities maintenance, building maintenance, etc. The upper left-hand corner is a roof-mounted exhaust fan. The upper right-hand corner shows a wall-mounted exhaust fan that's louvered. So when the fan is off, those louvers will close. And in the bottom center, that's a sort of a standard ceiling-mounted exhaust fan that you would find in a restroom. So here's some of the major components of an exhaust fan. You have your propeller, or in some cases a blower wheel, or sometimes called an impeller. You'll usually find pillow bearing blocks and a motor that drives the propeller via a belt. Part of the maintenance on these is you want to grease the pillow bearing blocks. You want to check the belt tension and belt condition. If the belt is too loose, you'll need to tighten it up a little bit. You don't want to over tighten it though. If the belt is cracked or dried or brittle or worn, you'll want to replace that. You'll want to do a visual inspection of the sheaves or the pulleys to make sure they're not worn out. Inspect the motor. Inspect the mounting hardware, inspect the base, any guards, the curb cap where it attaches to the roof. You want to check for any cracked welds, anything that's loose, broken, bent, damaged, missing. Check your wire connections, your conduit, make sure nothing's rubbing through, no exposed electrical wiring. And ideally you want to keep your fan blades clean because dirty fan blades can cause an imbalance and cause premature failure of that exhaust fan. But yeah, those are the main maintenance points on a exhaust fan, whether it's roof mounted, wall mounted. Grease the pillow bearing blocks, check and adjust the belt tension, visual inspection, keep it clean, and always practice lockout, tag out before performing any maintenance or repairs. And so again, here's a close-up view of a belt drive exhaust fan. You can see there's a motor that turns a belt. The belt turns a shaft. That shaft turns the impeller or the blower wheel. So again, this belt is brand new. It's in good condition. It's not cracked or brittle or worn looking. And that's it for today. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Please leave me a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover. Have a great day.